Good morning, everyone. The topic which we are going to see is the important tribes and their homelands. So, we will be seeing the most important tribes from around the world, which are very important for our examination point of view. The first tribe is Baryak. It is found in Siberia, Russia, Mongolia. तो बरियाक जो ट्राइब है ये साइबेरिया, रशिया और मंगोलिया वाले पोर्शन में पाए जाते हैं, जो कि एशिया वाला पोर्शन है. Eskimos are the tribe are found in Greenland, North Canada, Alaska, Northern Siberia. तो जो आर्कटिक पोर्शन है पूरा का पूरा, उस पूरे आर्कटिक रीजन के अंदर एस्किमोज पाए जाते हैं. फिर अगला ट्राइब जो है वो है कोरियाक आर फाउंड इन नॉर्दर्न साइबेरिया, यूरेशियन टुंड्रा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट एशिया. कोरियाक also found in northern Siberia, Eurasian tundra and northeast Asia. Next tribe is Aleuts. Aleuts are found in Alaska, Kamchatka Plateau, that is in Russia. So Aleuts are found in Alaska and Kamchatka Plateau in Russia. Next tribe is Bushmen. Bushmen are found in Kalahari Desert, Botswana, Namibia region. So Kalahari, basically main is Kalahari Desert, Bushman tribe. Next is Tuaregs. Tuaregs are found in Sahara Desert. Tuaregs are found in Sahara Desert. Next is Amazonia Indian tribe. So Amazonia Indian tribes are found in Amazon basin in South America. Next tribe is Pygmies. So Pygmies are very often asked in examinations and they are found in Congo basin, Zaire. Next tribe is Hausa. Hausa tribe is found in North Nigeria. Nigeria is a African country. Next tribe is Nenates or Samoyeds. Nenates or Samoyeds, and they are found in Siberia, which is a part of Russia, Asian Russia. Next tribe is Ainus. So Ainus are found in Russia and Japan. Next tribe is Maori. Maori are the tribes found in New Zealand. Hottentots ये जो ट्राइब हैं ये पाए जाते हैं ट्रॉपिकल अफ्रीका के अंदर. Hottentots, hot tropical Africa. Ibans are found in equatorial rainforest region of Southeast Asia. So Ibans are found in Southeast Asia in the tropical equatorial rainforest. Kalmuk are found in Siberia and Central Asia. तो Central Asia means Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan वाला जो पोर्शन है, तजिकिस्तान एंड ऑल. Yokuts are found in South Central California. Berbers are found in Morocco, Algeria and Tunisia, which is the northern African portion. Northern African countries, Morocco, Algeria and Tunisia. Berbers. Meos are found in northwest India. Next tribe is Lapps. Lapps are found in North Finland, Sweden and North Norway. Lapps are found in North Finland, Sweden and North Norway. Next tribe is Chukchi. So Chukchi are found in Russia near Chukchi Sea in Russia, North Siberia. Next tribe is Bedouin. So Bedouins are found in Sahara and Middle East. सहारा एंड मिडिल ईस्ट रेगिस्तान वाले हिस्से में बेडुइन पाए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट आर बिंडीबू और एब्रोगिन्स. ये ऑस्ट्रेलियन ट्राइब है, एब्रोगिन्स और बिंडीबू. नेक्स्ट इज गोबी मंगोल. सो दीज आर फाउंड इन गोबी डेजर्ट ऑफ मंगोलिया. नेक्स्ट ट्राइब इज Orang Asli, they are found in Malaysia. The another tribe is Eta, they are found in Philippines. Next tribe is Tapiro are found in Papua New Guinea. Fulani are the tribes are found in West Africa. West Africa. Zulu जो ट्राइब है ये साउथ अफ्रीका की ट्राइब है. Next tribe is Guicas are found in Amazon forest area. And the last tribe is Semang is found in Malaysia. So thank you, hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thanks for watching.